This is what I am using to make my chicken and waffles. I am using these quick and easy chicken patties. Nice, quick, easy, fun meal for the family. I am using these waffles. These are Eggo waffles. Already pre-cooked, not homemade. Quick, easy meal for the family. Yummy. These are the chicken patties. They are in the oven, getting cooked. Yummy, delicious. You see it. You see it. This is the syrup I'm using, Mrs. Butterworth, extra butter, yummy, delicious. Yummy, yummy. These are the waffles, placed in the oven, getting ready to cook. This lovely meal, fun, quick, easy meal for your family. Chicken and waffles. And this is the finishing results of my quick, easy, fun meal for the family. Chicken and waffles.